How to make BuddyPress members can report other members. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to make BuddyPress members can report other members. With this feature, you can make your BuddyPress site keep safe from the spammer, scammers, or any unwanted members. The reported members can be banned anytime. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install and activate BuddyPress moderation. You can purchase this plugin on Youzify.com. We put the URL on this video description below. Once both plugins are activated, navigate to the Youzify panel, Extension Settings, and Moderation Settings. Scroll down to the Members Settings box, then enable Reports. You also can add more report subjects if you want. And then, you can set up any other things. Like who can report items, who can moderate items, make visitors can report too, and other dozens of features. If you want. Let's see the result. Now members can report any posts and comments on the activity page. Once the report's sent, admin can moderate it from the dashboard. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.